Further electrophilic substitution reaction is a sulfonation of the benzene. I'll write third is sulfonation of benzene. You take a benzene and sulfuric acid. This gives you directly a benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. The electrophile which is generated from this is a SO3H. This is an electrophile which is generated from this. Next, we will move to more electrophilic substitution reaction. Fourth is Friedel and Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. So here we are going to learn two reactions. One A is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, and B is same, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In the first reaction, in a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, alkyl group will be substituted on the benzene, and Friedel-Crafts acylation, a acyl group will be substituted on the benzene. So let's understand Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. The reaction goes this way. This is a benzene, and let's take this alkyl halide. Means I'll take the real example. Instead of RX, I will take this CH3Cl, and in the presence of AlCl3, what we get is a alkyl substituted benzene. In this case, since I have taken an alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, I am getting a methyl benzene. If I take a ethyl chloride, then I will get a ethyl benzene. Propyl chloride, then I will get a propyl benzene. This could be any hydrocarbon chain that will be getting substituted on this benzene. So here, let's think about the mechanism. Mechanism is similar type of mechanism. That is, step 1 over here is the generation of an electrophile. So how the electrophile will be generated? This is your CH3 which is connected to chlorine, and this is AlCl3. Right? This is electron deficient. This is Lewis acid which is always in the need of the electron. It will be accepting an electron from this, and what you will get is a CH3 plus and a AlCl4 minus. So this is an electrophile which is being generated. Right? Once this is generated, this is a substitution reaction. Means next step 2 is substitution of electrophile on benzene. You take benzene, and this is your electrophile. I will not go into the mechanism. Mechanism will be similar to the one which is previously shown. So this will be your, and this is also called as methyl benzene or a toluene. I will write over here. This is called as methyl benzene. In this case, you are getting a toluene. Basically, what I have to say is that alkyl halide, you will get a general reaction for this could be written this way. General reaction for this could be written this way. RX AlCl3, and you will be getting a alkyl halide, sorry, alkyl benzene. Next, we'll go to the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Next is B, I will write under Friedel-Crafts only. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. I will write a general reaction for this. General reaction is, this is your benzene and acyl group R C double bond, that is acid halide, that is what we say, this functional group is there. Then in the presence of AlCl3, what you are going to get is C double bond O R. This is the compound which you are going to get. Let's understand. Let's take this. Let's take one example for this. This is your benzene, and you are taking a acyl halide of this type, CH3COCl. In the presence of AlCl3, the compound what we are going to get is this, right? Mechanism. That is, first will be CH3, C double bond O Cl. In the presence of AlCl3, this bond is very weak. It could be broken very easily. So here, this type of positive charge and AlCl4 minus is generated. Then next step is same. That is, this is your electrophile. This is the electrophile which is generated, and here, like in the case of alkylation, alkyl group was the electrophile, here acyl group is the electrophile, and finally what you get is this. What is being substituted? A hydrogen is being substituted over here. This is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, electrophilic reaction. It is a substitution reaction.